Hi everyone. The work that I'm gonna prepare today is for sympathy for a funeral. It's gonna be a white roses basket. Um, there are two things that I have to do first, and one is take the measure because it has to be 25-inch wide by 20. The other thing that I have to do is keep this stable. If not, it's really heavy, but I don't want this be a problem when they have to move around. So I have a few ideas. I will use all the resources that I have, just in case some of them doesn't work. But the easier is gonna be using this double face tape, and I'm gonna see if this is gonna work because as you can see, the basket, it doesn't have an even bottom, so but at some point it's gonna be stuck. And then I will try to use the glue gum, and the last thing that I want to do is use the floral tape. Okay, let's see. I still can use a little bit of this on this part. Okay. I think it's gonna work. And then I'm gonna use the clear tape that is gonna help me to hide the tape. I want to use it from here. Let me see if this is gonna work. Okay. I brought 25 white roses and 25 ivory or cream color roses. So the first thing that I want to do is hide this tape. I'm not worried about the clear tape, but yes, I am about this. So I'm gonna measure this. I think it's too long. Yes, I like that way. I'm gonna start to there. It has to be, I don't know if you can see the yellow measure tape. I don't want to move too much. Okay, the angle, so it's gonna be this. It's exactly the size of the towel that I use to avoid any leaking on the table. So having that clear on my mind, I will proceed with the, okay, one is ready. Okay, perfect. Now I don't need this anymore. Oh, yes, yes, I do. I do need it. It has to be 20 tall. Okay. Yes. That's it. Sometimes I do not remove the leaf of the roses because they are gonna help me to, I think we have to move this a little bit far. It's gonna help me to cover the oasis in a more natural way. So that's, I think that is good for you. Turn around. See, it's eucalyptus. Okay. 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 It's ready. Super ready. It's big. is heavy, but it's white and cream. It's exactly how they want it. Well, I hope you can use these resources, ideas to do something similar. It doesn't have to be just for sympathy. We can use the same technique by Christmas centerpieces with different colors, obviously, or whatever reason or celebration that you have, you can use exactly the same technique. If you have some comment or question, just send me the message and I'll be there helping you and everything that I can. Thank you so much. Soon I will be working with other kinds of flowers. So see you soon. Thank you.